Hey learners, hope you guys are doing good. So today we are going to discuss career path of statistician or biostatistician, how to get into this role, also what technical skill required to be in this industry as a statistician or biostatistician, and also what basic requirement from the hiring team and what course we should get into this job as a biostatistician. Let's understand what biostatistician do. By the name itself, you can understand biology and statistics. Biostatistician. What they do, they uses statistical methods on biology, public health or medical data. So this is what we do. Let's say, for example, if I'm a biostatistician, so I should know that statistical methods, I should know a good understanding of statistical methods, good knowledge on them, so that if I'm getting into the study, I would able to understand how I can, deal with this data, what method would be appropriate based on my knowledge, like if it's a non-parametric, parametric, if I'm having the missing data, how I'm going to deal with lots of things will come in your way. Being a statistician, if you're analyzing the data, we should interpret that what this data really telling us. Coming to the education, if you want to be a statistician or biostatistician, and that to a specific domain, let's say for example in the clinical trial, in any research, medicinal research you want to work, their basic requirement is you should have at least a master degree in statistics or mathematics or doctorate. That is well and good. So this is the basic requirement every hiring team is looking for. Technical knowledge, you need some programming knowledge like SAS and then R, then Python are preferred. You should have understanding to clean and manage your data using these statistical softwares. Also, you should know that which procedure you're going to use to apply some statistical methods. At least you should have a strong knowledge on at least one tool, let's say for example SAS or R or Python. And if you know a little about other softwares, this is going to help you. Once you will go into this industry, you will learn. This is what about fresher level. So now coming to the what hiring team is looking in you. If you are a fresher statistician, right? As a statistician, they need a strong knowledge of statistics. Okay. So let's say, for example, they can share some scenario and they can ask you that, tell us that which method you're going to use. So that ability you should, gain that to tell in front of them. If you're going into the clinical trial, if you know that this is the company and you go to the website of the company, read about the company, and also if it is a drug development company, then you should know the drug development overview process, their phases, so that if any question come up, or you can add on and you can tell them that this is what I just by myself I learned. Let's say for example, once you get hired, what they are looking. So first of all, they are going to train you. Okay, they will train you basic understanding about to read the protocol, a good knowledge, understanding of statistical analysis plan. So this is the document which us, that is a statistician, design or develop for the particular trial, where we mention that which method we are going to use based on the given information in the protocol, how we are going to deal with the data. A very extended and expanded document where we in detail about data analysis we are going to write, how we are going to derive the variable, how we are going to deal with the missing schedule visits, and all stuff we are going to mention all together in this document. So that is called statistical analysis plan. Now another documents also, statistician, you should know that TFL, the table listing figure, how we are going to create the particular table listing and figure using those variables which is given in the protocol. So these are the knowledge you will gain, okay, during your training. And also they are going to aware you about ICH guideline, International Council of Harmonization, right? That we should follow those guidelines if you're working basically E3 as a statistician, E3, E6, E9, these three guidelines are must for us. Again, we should have a knowledge on Adam spec, that is analysis data model, how we are going to deal with that, how we are going to derive those derivation methods. So as a fresher, you should just have a knowledge. You are not a part of reviewing that, but you should have that knowledge how this the particular variable is being derived here in this specification. As the TM standards, a basic understanding you should know. You will gain knowledge during the your training, that using this tool, how you're going to analyze the data. You need to present also to the team, getting an article and reading up. This will give you a confidence that how you are going to present, how you are going to explain to the team what it has given in this article, how they use the method, which software they have used. You can do by yourself. You can simulate the data, you can analyze, you can show the team, you should interpret. This is how you gain the confidence during your trial. So this is all about a journey of biostatistician from fresher to getting into this industry. So I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.